We have some really exciting services that we provide along the entire path.
Economic development is a suite of services that we offer the startup companies that we spin out of the university. It includes the Software Development Center, the Medical Device Accelerator, the Entrepreneur in Residence program. We will offer resources that will help in the different stages of a technology's life cycle.
We have professional developers in our Software Development Center that can take academic code or can take a piece of code and really develop it to a commercial product.
As researchers on campus develop technologies that need software, the Software Development Center here is able to put together the code and the programming needed to really make these technologies functional.
We realize that more and more people need software to commercialize their products or to be able to better fulfill their research. People who have software needs as part of their research and they need someone to write in on their grant to say, yeah, I have a software component for this research and there's a group within the university that's capable of doing this software component. So, if you award this grant to us, I'll be able to get that piece of my research completed.
We have space available. We're sitting in our medical accelerator, so companies that are in need of that space in order to apply for an SBIR grant or to attract funding can reside in our space, and it's a lot cheaper than actually going out and buying a piece of equipment.
The Medical Device Accelerator has several resources that technologies can use to develop their product further. One is a wet lab space where they can develop any type of chemistry they need, and the second is a machine shop and prototyping facility. As with all of our resources, the Medical Device Accelerator is open for people within the community who have smart ideas that are looking to develop and commercialize them. As technologies move through the machine, we want to engage outside people from the university, entrepreneurs and business-savvy people to develop the technology to a point where we can take it to market. The Entrepreneur in Residence program was developed to do just that.
We discuss where can we help them? And being a consultant here to the TCO, then we have the opportunity to not only working with outside companies, and so we can get salaries and money from other sources. But we then sit down with them once the licensing manager has determined this really is a company.
We're looking for entrepreneurs from every industry to come and help engage in these technologies. We just need them to walk through our door and be willing to help and roll their sleeves up and do some work.
The whole process, there's some effort, there's some program, there's some service that we've been able to put together to help out. It makes sense to come to us first to be able to say, gosh, what do you have available? And I've got a list of different services, a list of different technologies, a list of other partners that we can bring together this family again to move these technologies or their own ideas along.